Infor Factory Track for CSI, Job Receipt. To receive completed items from jobs into inventory, the shop floor job receipt form is used. Factory Track has several shop floor job receipt parameters to control the validations, displayed fields and processing options that are permitted as part of the job receipt process. By clicking on the Label Printing Parameters button, the option to include printing labels as part of the process can be defined. Enabling the Print Labels feature results in the label printing form being displayed following successful processing of the job receipt transaction. For this training, we have enabled these parameters in order to show where those fields appear and validations that occur in the transaction steps. To start the job receipt process, from the Factory Track Shop Floor's Work Center navigation homepage, click on the Material Category Group menu. Then click on the Job Receipt icon. Note that the order of the features within the Material menu is configurable. To start the job receipt process, enter or select from drop-down the job ID from which the finished items are being received. Enter or select from drop-down the associated suffix. Factory Track displays the warehouse ID to which the items will be received and the Details tab information which includes the item being received and the employee's shift, as well as the total quantity, scrap, completed and balance quantities. Then enter the quantity being received. If the put away parameter is enabled, the user can enter or select the location to receive the item. The location is defaulted with the receiving location parameter value. If the put away is not enabled, the item can be received only to this location. The green Submit button is not enabled if put away and receiving location parameters are not enabled. Based on the Containers in Use parameter on the Global Parameters form and the Put Away parameter, Factory Track also provides the ability to place the received items in a container by selecting the To Container field and then specifying the container ID. If the job item is lot and/or serial controlled, the Lot Serial tab is available for selection and enables the fields required for entry. Enter or select from drop-down the pre-assigned lot ID for your item, or click on the Generate Lot button to have Factory Track populate a new lot ID. If the item is serial tracked, the Unassigned Serial Numbers field is populated with the number of items requiring assignment. Click on the Serial Assignment button. Factory Track then displays the serial number assignment form. Enter or scan the serial number for the serial entry field, or select serial numbers from the serial grid for pre-assigned serial numbers. Continue until you have 0 remaining unassigned serials. Click on the Save button to return to the job receipt form. The unassigned serial number now reflects 0 as well. Click on the Submit button to process the transaction. Based on the Infor Cloud Suite Industrial Cross-Docking parameters and the Transaction Set Maintenance Allow Cross-Docking parameter, Factory Track also provides the option to cross-dock the received items to open requests. To close the form without returning material, click on the Close button. Note that if the Print Labels parameter has been selected, the label printing form is displayed after processing the transaction to allow specification of the printer ID and to confirm the labels to be printed.